Hello again. This time I'm gonna talk about the last part of the exposure triangle, and this will be the ISO in very simple words. ISO stands for International Standards Organization, and what tells us is how sensitive your camera is to the light. Higher ISO number means that your camera is more sensitive to the light. That means in low light conditions you will need higher ISO, because that makes your camera more sensitive to the light. And vice versa. When you're shooting in bright light, you're gonna need less ISO number. However, higher ISO comes with a price, and this is what I mean. They call it either noise or grain. Now here's an example. This picture, as you see, was taken with 1/5 of a second at f2.8 and ISO 100. Look how clear it looks. And now, this picture was taken with 100th of a second, f11, and ISO much higher, 12,800. Look at the difference in the quality. This is what we call the noise, or grain. Now, this is something that can easily be fixed on post-production. For example, if you go on Lightroom over here and go all the way down around the middle, on detail, you will see a button, denoise. You can go over here and look. It will do its own magic and it will be fixed to a point. However, it's good to know that when you're working with higher ISO, you will have some drawback. However, this is a topic for a whole nother video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.